please turn that stupid music down? You're not the only one who lives here.
Mom, look at this.
Go to the restaurant. There's lots of leftovers in the fridge. I also have something to tell you.
I'm sick of pasta.
Starting this week, you're washing dishes at the restaurant 3 times a week. My dishwasher quit yesterday.
What the? Why does it have to on the same days as my guitar lessons?
This is gonna be good for us. We'll spend some time together, like before.
The Battle of the Bands is coming up. Can't I do it on the weekends instead?
No. You have enough people on the weekend. I'm counting on you, Bobby. It's time to step up.
You don't understand.
I do. And I miss him too. Consider this your first paycheck. You'll get the rest at the end of each week.